Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motors and its LCID stock, as I do think it is a great buy right now and a great opportunity to get this stock before the earnings report on February 28, 2022. We are going to be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. And also, don't forget to get your free Lucid stock right now using my link down below to Moomoo. Open an account with at least $100. In that account will get you a brand new free Lucid stock. In addition to this, stay to the end of the video and I can show you how you can get an additional $17,500 from Moomoo and $6,900 through Webull. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about first Lucid Motors, and we are going to be talking about its stock. Right now, Lucid Motors is a brand new EV company and it is starting its mass productions. We do know that they are producing the Lucid Air Grand Touring model. They have and delivered all the Lucid Air Dream Editions. We're not sure when their last delivery date was, but it is confirmed. I did talk to Lucid Motors and they are now delivering and producing the Grand Touring vehicles. Starting in the Q2 of this year, they will be making the Touring model. So this is also very encouraging and great news. And the Lucid Air Pure will be produced by the second half of this year. So I do think that Lucid Motors is on track of making their mass production vehicle. But remember, Lucid is focused on luxury and they are focused on quality versus quantity. So that is one of the best things about this company. And I do think that this was going to be huge into the future because Lucid has a very small niche, but a very good niche to have. They are focusing on the electric sedan. Soon they will be making the SUV, the Gravity, but they are focusing on that luxury piece and the quality piece. They are making very good vehicles with little or no problems, which is quite nice and refreshing to have. Now, its other competitor out there is Tesla. Tesla is one of my favorite companies and also my favorite stocks. However, you could definitely see that in the past, they have not really focused on the quality of their vehicles. They're focused more on quantity. So that is a big plus in my opinion for Lucid Motors. But that being said, for the year 2021, they should have delivered 520 of the Lucid Air Dream vehicles at about 169,000 apiece. This does give us an estimated generation of about $88 million to be made in Lucid Motors if they sold all those 520 vehicles and deliver those in the year 2021. So this is going to be incredible news and a big increase and a big pop in its stock. I do think that they are also going to be talking about mass production in their earnings report. And I definitely think, as I have just mentioned, that they are on target of making the different trims. As I have mentioned, they are currently working on the Lucid Air Grand Touring, which is right after the Lucid Air Dream. Now, Lucid as a company has been known and is going to be well known around the world. Right now, it has a very big name among car experts and auto enthusiasts as being the best electric vehicle in the world. I do think that in the next few months, Lucid is going to have a better branding and is going to be known around the world to others as well. Most importantly, to other investors. We are starting to see a lot of institutional movement in purchasing this stock, and they have started to increase their stock numbers starting in December of last year and continuing in January and February. We have seen a lot of institutions that are buying this. So I did just want to transition and show you the 13F filings of the companies that have added shares to Lucid LCID stock. And I did want to bring your attention to Morgan Stanley that actually bought an average share price of this stock at $37.50. They actually bought 1.8 million shares of this stock and they have increased their stock holdings. So Morgan Stanley, if you remember, they had that analyst, Mr. Jonas, that actually gave Lucid Motors the lowest price target of any analyst out there at $16 a share in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year. But why did they buy this stock at $37.50? if they do believe that this stock is going to go down to $16. It scared the market. We did have some sell-off whenever that $16 price target went out there. But look, we do now have the 13F filings from Morgan Stanley that they actually bought this stock at $37.50. So they are down on this stock right now. So whenever I do tell you that that price under $38 is a steal of a deal, they bought that at the time when it was a steal of a deal. We have now had that huge market pressures. Now we are talking about going to war, the conflict with Russia and Ukraine. That is putting a lot of huge downward pressures on that. Also, last time we did not have this huge inflation numbers. Remember that we have that CPI, the largest inflation in the last 40 years at 7.5%. So again, a lot of downward pressures. Also, we did have another COVID spike. So this is bringing the downward pressures on the Lucid stock. But I do believe it is now giving us a very nice buying opportunity. And I do also believe that if the earnings report on February 28, 2022 from Lucid Motors are outstanding, and if they do beat the expected earnings that the analysts are giving this stock has a very, very good potential to not see below $30 again. So these are my opinions only. So I definitely think that it is a good time to buy, at least put in a small position into Lucid Motors before those earnings reports. If they are good, I do believe that this stock will really have a lot of upward mobility and we might not see these prices again. So I did just want to transition and show you the top holders of the Lucid stock. LCID stock is still majority owned by Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund at about 62%, but we can see big investment groups such as Vanguard, BlackRock, and Franklin Resources being the top three after that do hold LCID stock. I do believe that institutions have been adding Lucid on, and it is quite nice to see that this stock has very nice backing. This company has a lot of funding and a lot of backing to have that production, to have that mass production of its vehicles. Also, they are extending and building more facilities and expanding the Arizona facility by 2.8 million square feet. Also, they will be making its Saudi Arabia plant available possibly in the next year or two. Now, we do know that the SUV, the Gravity, will be coming out for the year 2024 model. So again, very big things to look forward to for Lucid Motors. Also in the earnings report, we are going to see what their reservation count is. Last time we heard it was roughly 17,000, but now they have grown to across 18 countries that can now purchase and reserve the Lucid Air vehicle. And I do believe that its reservations will skyrocket from here. So very big catalyst looking forward to for that earnings report that I definitely think that can hit this stock out of the park and have a great upward potential. I did just want to transition and show you how this stock have been doing. The Lucid stock, LCID stock, just in the past one day has been down by 3%. We actually ended at $28.11. We have tested almost $30, which has been its ceiling. It has been its resistance in the past few weeks. Now, in the past 5 days, we are actually up by 2.13%. We did see a low at $25 and about 75 cents. Since then, we have gone up about 15, almost 16%, selling off some of that, hearing the bad news with Russia, with the Ukraine conflict. Are we going to war? Again, downward pressure bringing the stock down. Now, in the past 1 month, Lucid is down actually 28.3% from a high back in January at $40 on January 19th. We have seen a stabilization or a base at this stock about $26. We have gone under $26 on February 11th, just very briefly. We have not most recently retested that resistance of $30, which I do think that we need to penetrate. But I do think that we have a very nice price in this stock. I don't see it going much lower unless the earnings report are worse, that they could say that they did not hit any productions, that they're having huge supply chain issues, that they are not going to be able to make 20,000 electric vehicles this year for the year 2022, which is their goal. If they come out and say we can only make 1,000 vehicles and that we didn't get any of the 520 deliveries, then yeah, this stock will have huge downward pressures. Again, we'll have to see, but I do think that since all the institutions are buying, I do think that this is a nice opportunity to at least get a small position in this stock under $30. But let me just show you what Wall Street is saying about Lucid LCID stock. We have so far 5 analysts that reviewed this. One from Citigroup is giving it a strong buy with the highest price target of $57. Want to sell is that Morgan Stanley at $16. But remember, I did show you back in that chart, they bought this stock at $37.50. They bought quite a bit of it. They are down on this stock. But look, if you average all these together, it gives us $36.50, a potential 33% upside from now. I do believe that this stock is going to do amazing things. I do believe that this company is going to do amazing things because they have one of the best, if not the best, product on the market. The key is, how is their productions going? What is their production volume? Do they have any supply chain issues that are hurting a lot of the automotive industry? How is their chip shortage affecting this company? We'll definitely learn this and more in that earnings report. But I definitely think that this is a huge opportunity to hold this stock long term. I do think that holding this stock more than 5 years can more than up to 10 times your money if this company hits all the production volumes and all the production goals that it has set for itself. But if you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. And to get that free stock of Lucid Motors, use my link down below to Moomoo. Open an account with a brand new account, put in $100. That free Lucid stock is yours. Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, depending on how much money you have in that account. Also, Webull will give my viewers right now $2,300 in free stocks for a total of 3 free stocks, getting you that $6,900 in potential free stocks. Take advantage of these huge opportunities so you can get some free stocks. I do also have my link down below to crypto.com, which is giving my viewers $25 in cryptocurrency. Also, if you do use my link down below to Coinbase, put in at least $100, they will give you $10 of Bitcoin free for just signing up. So take advantage of these huge opportunities. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.